How to create a successful home business. Owning a home business has many advantages. You will be able to work at your own pace and at a schedule you set for yourself. Finding a business which will be profitable and one in which you will excel can be the hard part. Of course, most businesses take some capital to get started, too. When preparing tax statements for your home business, don't put down any deductions that you feel you can't uphold. If you can't prove it on paper in your tax file, you certainly won't be able to prove it with a tax auditor breathing down your neck. If it doesn't feel right, don't take it. Get used to saving receipts for everything. Every little expense related to your home business is deductible on your federal taxes, but you need to be able to prove it. In the event of an audit, you are going to need every scrap of paper related to any deductions that you claim. Arrange to have a toll-free 800 number associated with your home business. Taking this step allows you to keep your personal information private. If your business is successful, having an 800 number also leaves your home number free to take calls from your friends and family, who might have difficulty getting through otherwise. Keep a mileage log for your business driving. With a home business, you might find yourself driving to meet clients or suppliers, delivering orders or traveling to boutiques and trade shows. The IRS allows a write-off for business mileage, at about 34 cents per mile. That adds up. Check IRS.gov for the current year mileage allowance. There are also some disadvantages to owning a home business, with the most obvious one being that there are no guarantees. You will need to have some money to get started and also, money to live on while your business gets off the ground. Once your business is up and running, you may find it takes many more hours than you had anticipated. Student loan.